What's poppin', YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, period. What's good, y'all? I just finished my hair, and honestly, like, it's the length for me. Like, it's the length for me. It's the slick. Look at this. Period. It's the inches for me. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, continue watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what y'all want to see next, and you know I got y'all. How y'all think I look? I think I look pretty spicy. I mean, it's the hair for me. Like, oh y'all, if y'all see that right there, don't mind my bed. I just gotta put my sheets in the dryer. But anyways, if you want to see how I got my hair popping or whatever, I mean, I need my ends cut, but I mean, it's still the hair for me. It's still the inches for me. Okay, so yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Cold gang pop out, period. Let's get to the video. We're not gonna talk about how long it took me to do my hair, okay? But just know it had been a cool little minute. So after I wash my hair, now I'm going to go in with my conditioner. I do this in sections. Sections are the key to this whole process. Scalp massages are everything, even if you gotta do it by yourself. Rub your head, sis. So now that that's done, I'm gonna allow this to sit in my hair for no more than 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. Now I'm going to go in with this heat protectant, and I'm going to use the rest of it. So like I said before, sections are the key to this whole process. It's way easier, especially if you have a lot of hair. And even if you don't have a lot of hair, it just gets stuff out the way. Stuff don't start acting up till you get on camera. They don't want you to be great, but you be great, sis. My ends are bad, so as much as I need this all the way throughout my hair, I'm really showing more love to my ends. Before I blow dry my hair, I like to comb it out, just so it's easier to do when I start to blow dry it. This sitting technique comes in clutch, y'all. Like, my arms already be killing me from combing my hair out, but just having that extra help to hold the blow dryer, y'all gotta try it. sections down. We got 1, 2, 3 more to go. Because I separated it in 4s, but I only had 2 clips, so I had to do it in 3s. So we got 2 down, 1, 2, 3 more to go. This is how it's looking. Do a little turn for y'all. So my ends are terrible, like awful, and I don't know how to cut them myself, so I'm not gonna cut them. But we are gonna pray that my ends look flat enough when I finally straighten it. Let me just tell y'all how clutch this came. I haven't used this in a long time, plus I haven't straightened my hair since my birthday, so January 4th. It's been a minute since I straightened my hair. This made my hair just feel so soft. Like, honestly forgot about it too. It was in the it was under the sink where my hair stuff is, and I was like, oh crap, it's almost gone, I might as well use the rest. So I'm done though. Here is the ending. So right now I'm about to heat the flat iron, and then I'll get back to the camera when it's on. I don't phone, stop being rude. I don't have a special flat iron. I've had this flat iron for years and it's got the job done. But it's this kind. I think we got this from like either Target or Walmart. But yeah, so I'm gonna plug this in, let it warm up, and then I'll be back on the camera. Oh, let me, I didn't do a pose for y'all. I do it. Period.
So for me, since my hair is so thick, the smaller the sections, the straighter my hair will be.
It's the length for me. It's the length y'all, it's really just the lighting for me. Like, it's the hair for me, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Clearly I'm feeling myself. Make sure y'all go follow me on social media because I'm coming with some pictures soon, period. I love you guys so much. Code Gang popped out. You already know what it is. Bye.